material handling robotic precisely deliver brackets to the welding station. Fixture anchors the bracket while oppositioner determines the optimal weld angle. Two MIG welding robots spring into action, simultaneously witnessed by Punjabi efficiency. Boost with perfect symmetrical welding path. Mount positioner reactivates rotating bracket with micron precision for welds. Both welding robots perform synchronized finishing welds with real-time path calibration, ensuring efficiency and consistency. Automated handling robot transports and precisely positions already welded metal brackets into designated areas. Operating 7/24to ensure uninterrupted production.